Next, in Python, we are going to design rule-based AI spam message detector. So here we are going to create a file and I'm naming it as spam.py. So this is our file and here I'm going to create a list spam underscore words. So this is my variable and here I'm creating a list. So I'm putting some words like when, free, price and offer. So these are some spam words I have put in this variable whose name is spam words. Now here I'm creating one more variable whose name is score, to which I have given value 0. I have initialized it at 0. Another variable is message, input, enter your message dot lower. So this message variable can store user input and this lower allows user to enter text either in uppercase or in lowercase or in mixed case. Program will interpret it correctly. Next we'll go for loop. So for word and our variable is spam words, spam underscore words. If word in message, that means whatever message we have given here, if that word, any of those words matches with these words, then what we have to do, we have to increase the variable score variable value by 1. Score plus equals to 1. Initially it was 0 and if it finds any spam word in this message, it will increase that variable value by 1. Now if we are giving condition, if score is greater than 2, then print spam message else print not a spam message. So this is our program. We'll save this program and run it. So here it is asking me to enter a message. Here if I say hello, how are you? So we know that this message is not a spam message because none of the words here is matching with these spam words. So it is saying not a spam message. Here if I say hello, first of all we have to run the program. Hello, you have won a free, price. So here we can see that hello is not a spam word here. You is not a spam word. Have is not a spam word. One, free and price. Three are spam words here. If we enter it, program should say it's a spam message. But here also it is saying not a spam message because we have given here win. Free price of and we have written here 1 WON. So we'll run it again. Enter a message. Win a free prize. So here all the words are spam words. Win free prize which is greater than 2. So it's a spam message. So this was our rule based AI spam message detector.